just light, people need oxygen, people need water. It's a basic needed for human being. Without trees, our body will get sick. Without trees, our world will get sick. But what is our current value chain? People cut trees for farmland, people cut trees for new buildings, people cut trees, they will wait for new cities, and people cut trees for wood, for money. How can we change that? Is it possible to have an urban forest in our city, in our world, for everywhere? You don't need to think about the trees, you don't need to think about the greens. When you open your eyes, you are in the forest of the city. Our team, the top IT professionals in artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies, we bring a solution. We bring a self-learning based AI system to build a self-sustaining urban forest ecosystem. And our AI systems can do many things automatically. It learns from nature, from city. It builds a city adapted urban forest. It learns for every single movement. Because, for instance, it learns fly to a green region. It learns fly to empty places. It plants seeds, plant trees. It maintain trees to make city with more trees for people. Me, I'm a new father for 2 months. After a few years, I need to go back to my hometown where there's few trees. I can't bring trees from Europe and the world to my hometown. I can't plant trees myself, but our solution can enable us, can make me to bring a new revolution in digital spaces. It plants trees for a hometown, it plants trees for every city, it plants trees not only limited on our planet. This is our solution, this is our idea, it's our commons we want to build for everyone. Thank you very much. And here I show what we built in these 3 days. This is a 3D cameras with the drones, and it recognizes trees, green species automatically. You can find the result on that screen. Look, I will do very important step. If a drone, if a robot, I will plant trees. You will find it in our systems. It will change, it will evaluate, make a new evaluate system, how it goes, how to balance a new system with one tree. And what if somebody cut one tree and run out? It will detect free species automatically. It learns from previous, it moves emerging to a place where there's no trees, and the blue region shows the robot, the AI systems knows there's no trees there. There's its mission of the robot, the AI system, to plant trees there. And we have more part of our prototypes. And if place moving a bit, we have not only AI, we have something on blockchain, what makes unable for everyone. Our team member can show the prototype there.
Yeah, we process all the data in the blockchain. It's based on Tendermint, it's based on JavaScript, and all data is processed on the map. It contains a values system. We have all the trees we collect from AI, from human input, for whatever input we can collect, we plot it on the map. And we show we have a value system based by smart contracts. You put in features of a tree which we collect from all kinds of sources, and based on these features we generate value based on rules in the blockchain. And that's distributed over a community on which everybody can join. And the blockchain framework is open source, it's available, and you can also access it in any web client and build on top of it.
Alright, so I have created a tree on the map and assigned some values: date of birth, height, ownership. Now we save it, and another participants of the blockchain should see the changes. Can you do this?
Yeah. Yeah, that one, he created a new item. I have, we got a value system. Yeah.
So if somebody is changing, you replace all the same thing. Alright, so let's start with the
Yeah, it will change the features over the blockchain. So these are different clients, different nodes. So everybody is changing on the value map, or it can come from drones or photo images or whatever.
You change something there and it happens there as well.
Yeah, the blockchain is also a peer-to-peer network, so you can base contracts, but you can also send messages. So we used it as open source, and you can even build your own interfaces on top. You can manage it in your nodes just in any web browser, and you see all the notifications come in, and you can see the changes, and you can process it in your own user interface if you want to build something else. So everybody can join, and we want to provide a map and a base system, and that's it. Yeah, and probably that's the layer.
The incubation plan is also one of the points that you are. What is the plans for the incubation? How do you want to continue after this?
Yeah, we want to attract more people. We want to use our blockchain technology, which we have written on based on Tendermint. So we want to make that open source, create a community, and we want to show that with the solution we created for a urban tree environment, that people can use our blockchain technology to expand it. So we already provide the tools, but we need more time and more people and more knowledge to help us out, because we have a team of top programmers, but we need more help. So yeah, that's what we see in the future.
And you started this because you are passionate about trees. How did you come to this solution, and how did it evolve?
It evolved, yeah, because I see a lot of people are very concerned about what is happening in their environment. There are building constructors cutting down streets, and people want to see what's going on. They want to see, it's kind of a hidden treasure, the tree. People don't know what it is worth. But if you show it what it's worth and what it's doing and how it interconnects in an ecosystem, then people will think twice to cut something down. The enemy of nature is human beings, so you have to put them away from our ecosystem. And just making show what kind of value we have already around us.
And you show us very clearly trees that are in a city.
Yeah.
How would you, from the city perspective, why is this valuable? Why do I like this?
Because it's for multiple. We like this because there are scientific researchers that the trees are making us happy. It makes us feel safe. Also, it is for carbon emission. It is great for animal life. We get birds in the city. We get insects in the city. These are all things we don't recognize as a value, but if you show it, then people will attract more to nature.
So it brings much more nature to the city.
Yeah, and we want to expand it. It should grow. Just by not touching it, it will grow itself already. That's what nature is doing. So,
and is it then only the nature that looks beautiful, or is it also the nature that gives us fruit? How are you thinking about it?
That can be one perspective. You can have fruit trees, that's one thing. I think nature can give anything. It's also for water planning. If you have trees and you plant it correctly, then you have lower cost for water management in the sewer, for example. So it's all kinds of things. name it.
So it's nature and the city working together, and you're helping them
Yeah.
to come to that point.
Yeah, and they should also expand out of the city. We should battle the green deserts, agriculture.
And now you have built this on one place, but it's actually available for all the cities of the world.
Yeah, it is.
How will you contact them? How do they know? How will you?
We have a website. We already made a website. We do promotion. We reach out to people. We talk to the city of Groningen, and we know also in other countries of the Netherlands they are interested. In America, there are also.
You talk to the cities already.
Yeah, we already we talk to people. Yes.
Great.
And we know that there is a huge interest only all based on the base system of a value map. They are looking for it, and they are still researching how to do it. And I think we provide a tool to make it visible what the value of nature can be for everyone.
So you not only are telling where the trees are, but also how they help the people. How this is what you can see.
People can see it, but also we want to and then we want to get people away from it. It should expand by itself. So if people can see, okay, we should not touch this. Then.
But you have made machines to help the nature.
Yeah.
The drone that's standing there.
Yeah. We need information. We need input about how the situation is.
What extra point is our AI can speak and it can post. It can Twitter. It posts automatically. We have a Twitter. The robot posts what current situation now. The speed. What's the value now.
Nice. Okay. Thank you.